In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enhance your Shopify store by integrating MailChimp email SMS marketing. This step-by-step guide will walk you through the process of installing this app so you can optimize your marketing campaigns and stay connected with your customers more effectively. To start, navigate to your internet browser and go directly to the Shopify website. Shopify is a powerful e-commerce platform that enables you to create and customize an online store. Most of you might already be familiar with it if you're running an online business, but it's always good to ensure you're on solid ground before diving into app installations. Once you're on the Shopify main page, log into your Shopify account. If you haven't created one yet, this would be a good moment to do so. Simply follow the instructions on Shopify's homepage for account creation. Assuming you already have an account, enter your credentials, your email address and password, and hit the login button. Once you're in, you'll find yourself on the Shopify dashboard, your command center for managing your store. Now that you're all set on your Shopify account, it's time to head to the Shopify App Store. The App Store is where you'll find hundreds of apps designed to enhance the functionality of your store. These apps can help with anything from marketing to tracking analytics and even managing inventory. In the App Store, locate the search bar at the top. Here, type in MailChimp Email SMS Marketing. MailChimp is a well-known marketing platform that provides a range of tools aimed at helping you create effective email campaigns. Recently, the addition of SMS marketing makes it even more versatile for reaching your customers directly. With your search query entered, press Enter. After a moment, you should see the MailChimp Email SMS Marketing app pop up in the search results. Click on the app title to head to its specific page. On the MailChimp app page, you'll find a detailed description of what the app can do, including user reviews and ratings. This is helpful information if you're still weighing your options about whether MailChimp is the right tool for you. Once ready, direct your attention to the Install button. Clicking this button will initiate the installation process. You may be prompted to authorize MailChimp's access to your Shopify account. This is a standard procedure, so just follow the on-screen instructions. After confirming, the app will begin its installation process. Depending on your internet speed and the size of the app, this may take a few moments. And just like that, you're done. With MailChimp integrated into your Shopify store, you're now equipped with a robust set of tools for expanding your marketing initiatives. Remember, the ability to engage effectively with your audience through both email and SMS campaigns can significantly boost customer interaction and sales. If you wish to explore other functions or tutorials in the future, don't hesitate to revisit Shopify's App Store, as it's filled with additional resources to further customize and improve your e-commerce business. That wraps up our tutorial for today. Thanks for watching.